Dude, this forest is endless. Got some endless forest action going. Suspension bridge action going. Look at this. Today is easy. Yeah. We haven't started yet though, so who knows? Look how nice this is. Right at the peak. It's a different kind of view today. Let's go up. Oh. Nice. The weather is bad, but yeah, it's okay. Oh, what is that? Oh, oh. And as a bonus, not one, but two waterfalls. Ugh. Right. My stay at the biggest mountain of all, the main mountain of Korea, Gangcheonsan. And yeah, I am pretty sure that I am the only guest again, because this is my car. And this is probably the owner's car. Gonna be fun. Yeah, this looks like straight from a scene from Shining or something. This is haunted hotel. There's nobody here. Jesus. I'm gonna die tonight. Alright, we almost made it to the end of the mountain strip. We have Gangcheonsan and Gangcheonsan left, and we have the 4-star Dragon Ball left to find. It's going pretty well. We're almost done. Alright, so in this hotel, they did not provide me with a hairdryer, so I had to be creative, and I am using this fan, which is at the same time my biggest fan. And I have to be ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow is the most important hike, and I will not go with messed up hair. So I'm just trying to dry it and give it some shape. Gotta do something, right? And yesterday I had the massage chair and everything. Just imagine that shift. Alright, bye.